So let's have a look at building an AIDA funnel. Whenever we build a funnel, we must always build it in reverse. So we have to decide what action we want Bob to take. Now you might think that's obvious, think, well, we just want Bob to buy something from us, but sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes we want to get Bob on our mailing list. That's an action. We might get Bob to come back to our website on a blog from social media. That's an action. So before we build a funnel, we have to decide what action it is we want Bob to take. Then we're going to figure out, how do we appeal to Bob emotionally, to Bob's desire? What emotional issue does this address? And we have to decide how we're going to present that emotional solution to Bob's emotional problem in our marketing funnel. So how will we appeal to Bob intellectually? How will we get Bob interested? And we're going to have to decide how we're going to do that and what that's going to look like in terms of content. And then how are we going to get Bob's attention in the first place? What is the thing we're going to lead with? What is the statement we're going to make to get Bob's attention, to make sure Bob pays attention to us? And we have to think about that. So when we build an AIDA funnel, we always figure out what the end destination of the buyer journey is, and then we build that journey in reverse. And then when we present it to Bob, obviously we present it in its normal order. But in terms of planning, always start with what is the action you want Bob to take, and be very, very specific about that, and then build everything to lead people to that end.